This, I think, is a real promise of artificial intelligence, is that if we use it right, we can make all of the technology disappear into the background and actually focus on things that we really care about as people.
Wir denken immer nur, was wir alleine denn tun könnten. Die Frage ist aber, was passiert eigentlich, wenn wir alle das nutzen?
Heute brauchen wir Menschen für das, was man eben nicht automatisieren kann, trotz Deep Learning, trotz AI, und zwar nämlich für Erfahrung, Wissen, Kreativität.
If we think of a world in which robots or AI agents are going to be part of our workforce, of our society, and maybe even of our democracy, one of the things that we need to understand is not only how to create them technologically, but also how it is that people actually judge machine actions.